£30 million Arsenal target won't start, says pundit who names better destination. Arsenal target Lisandro Martinez would struggle to break into Mikel Arteta's team if he completes a £30 million move from Ajax. That is the view of former Ajax and Netherlands player Marciano Vinck, who is not a particular fan of Ben White and Gabriel yet believes both would keep the Argentine on the bench at Emirates Stadium. He told Vitbalpert, "You never know, of course, but if there are so many economic gains to be made, Ajax should always focus on the next one. I think €40 million should definitely be negotiable. I think White is good and Gabriel is still a bit unpolished. Neither of them are brilliant builders. He would be brought in for the position of left central defender, and I don't think they'll take Gabriel out at Arsenal just like that. If they get Martinez, I think they'll get him for the bench. As a backup." Arsenal are targeting Martinez along with Manchester United, yet Vinck believes the Premier League would not suit his style. "Martinez is a very good and tough defender, he also shows it in the Argentine team," he added. "I think the system and the way in which Ajax played, and the combination with Jurrien Timber, made him an even better player. They are two pit bulls standing there. He has a very good pass and creates a good build-up. He sees the game well. I only wonder if he is really suitable to play in England. I'd rather see him in the Spanish league. I think that suits him better."